Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. Previously we have discussed data types, operators, control flow, function, hoisting, objects, these, arrow function, constructor function, arrays, method of arrays, and today we'll discuss about string methods. So we can see the list of the string methods and we'll discuss these methods one by one with the examples. Now we'll discuss about the two uppercase. So this method returns a new string where all the characters converted to uppercase or capital letter. You can see the console.log, then string, then to uppercase. Okay, now we can see the result. See, it's giving all the characters in capital letter. So now we'll discuss about two lowercase. So this method will return a new string where all the characters of the string will be converted into lowercase or small letter. Let string1, then I'm giving, like what I'll say, ct console.log, then string1, then two lowercase. So you can see it is giving all the letter is converted. So you can see all the character of this string has converted into small letter. Now we'll discuss about the replace. The replace method return a new string where the substring replaced by if one or all of the substring matches with the new string. Means if I have written one string where I'm writing string 2, my name is Avi. Now what? So it will give a new string, right? So I'm just giving s1 str2 dot replace, then I'm giving, so this should be replaced with is not. So the is will be replaced by is not. So this is the new string and this is the substring. So this string will be replaced by this one, but it will be replaced by ones. Now you can see the s1 console.log s1. See, my name is not is Avi. So it is not replacing this is. So it just replaced this is only because it replacing once. If I want to replace the both is with the is not, then it will be define it replace dot all dot replace all. Let's see now. Sorry. See, it's giving is not, right? I just console these things. So now we'll discuss about the split method. The split method returns an array and it takes a pattern. Based on the pattern, the split method split the string into substring. In split, we can use the pattern that we call separator. Split, then okay, like str2 dot split. So in here we'll use separator. So the separator means it describes where the split should occur. मान लो मुझे स्प्लिट होना है जहाँ जहाँ पे स्पेस है, ओके, तो स्पेस के लिए मैंने स्प्लिट कर दिया. सो इट विल रिटर्न एन एरे, राइट? आई एम जस्ट स्टोरिंग इनटू ए. लेट्स सी console.log, then a. See, it's giving me the substring of the string into an array. So I separated by space. Okay, now if I'll give like, okay, split based on this name pattern, means after this name it will split the string, and before the name it will split the string. So you can see the result. See my, so before the name my is there, after the name is Avi is there. That's why it's giving two substring. Now we'll discuss about split with separator and the limit. So in here we are using the split, then we can use the limit also. The limit means based on the non-negative integer number, it limits on the number of substring to be included in the array. मतलब जितना लिमिट होगा उतना सबस्ट्रिंग एरे के अंदर आएगा. मान लो मुझे 2 ही चाहिए, ओके, मैंने स्पेस दिया, तो स्पेस के टाइम क्या हुआ था, ऐसे आया था हम लोग कह रहे. नाउ आई हैव गिवन द 2, सो ओनली इट गिव्स 2 substring. Let's see my name. Now if I'll give 3, then it will give 3 substring. See, now if I'll give 0, then it will give me empty substring, means it is giving me empty array. Now I'll discuss about substring. So substrings basically it accepts two parameters. One is start index, another is end index, and it returns the part of the string from start to end. The end index will be not included. Means, okay, let's take one example. Let t3 goes to Facebook. Okay, now if I'll do console.log, then str3, then substring. So now I'm giving 0. This is the start index, so it will start from the 0 index itself. Then if I want to till e, that means 0 1 2 3 4, then I have to give till 4 because the 4 will be not included, so I have to give 0 1 2 3 then 4. Let's see what it gives. See, it gives face. Now we'll discuss about the slice. The slice we have already discussed in the array part 1. The same thing we can use for the string also. So it is the same thing where it return a string based on the start index to the end index, but the end index will be not included. If you didn't get this, then please watch the array part 1 session. You'll get a clear idea. Now I'll discuss about the trim method. Let str4 my name is Sachin. So what the trim does, trims basically remove the white spaces from the end of the string and the beginning of the string. Okay, so console.log, then if I use str4 dot trim, then if I see my name is Sachin, so it removed the spaces from the both side. Trim end means what? Trim end means it removed the space from the end of the string. So now if I use string end, then what happened? Okay, you can see it. So now I'm taking this example and pasting in the Chrome, then we can understand what is happening. See, it's actually removed the spaces at the end of the string. I can do one thing, string this, then let str5. Okay, so I do this string, then plus, then str5. Then we can understand this space has been removed or not. See, the space has been removed. That's why it's adding or concatenating this string 5. Okay. So what is stream start? Stream start means it will remove the space from the beginning of the string. The same. I just remove the string from here, then just stream start. We can see the result from here itself. See, it removed the space beginning of the string. Now we'll discuss about the value of. So value of is basically it returns the string value. That's all, nothing else. If I use let string 5, then I'm giving India. Let console dot log, then string 5 dot value of, right? See, it's giving me the value of the string. Now we'll discuss about the includes method. The includes method checks whether a given substring is inside the string or not. If it's not, then it will return false. If it is there, then it will return true. Let's see. Let str 6. I'm telling I am learning JavaScript. Okay. So I'll check string 6 dot includes JavaScript. Okay. I'm just consoling it. See, it's giving me true. If I just remove this thing, then what will happen? It's giving false. Pattern is not matching within the string. That's why it's giving me false. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. We'll meet you in the next session.